In step 1, we start by defining a functional component called greeting. This component accepts a single prop named name which is used within an H1 HTML element to display a welcoming message. The message dynamically includes the value of the name prop. Next, in step 2, we specify default prop values by attaching a default props object to the greeting component. Default props is a special property in React that lets you define default values for your component's props. Here, we are setting the default value for the name prop to anonymous. This means that if the greeting component is used without the name prop being passed, it will default to using anonymous as the name. Here's an example of how the greeting component might be used with a supplied prop. When we pass in John as the prop for name, the component will render hello, John on the screen, because the provided prop takes precedence over the default value. In this example, the greeting component is used without supplying the name prop. When the component is rendered without the prop, it falls back to the default prop value we defined earlier. As a result, the output will be hello, anonymous, which showcases the use of default props in action.